Welcome to Mount Baldy, California. My name's Todd and I'm from Crov. I'm here today to talk about a very popular product in the overland market, our rooftop tent. This tent sets up in under 2 minutes. It's 100% waterproof, protects from rust and corrosion. It comes with a 2-inch thick foam mattress and an extendable ladder that holds up to 700 pounds. It comes in various colors, the khaki, gray, white, and orange. My favorite one is this gray one we're showing you today. You can purchase this tent factory direct with no middleman or markup. They are in stock now in our warehouse in Ontario, California, ready to ship. I'll add my contact information below. Check out Crov for more outdoor products available.